In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a custom theme in Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to give your slides that extra touch, or simply want them to look unique and personalized, well, this is exactly what you need. Having a custom theme can truly elevate the look of your presentations, making them stand out and fit your specific style or branding. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up your Google Slides presentation. Whether you have an existing slide deck that you want to enhance or you're starting from scratch, go ahead and navigate to Google Slides and pull up the presentation where you'd like to apply your new theme. Getting right to the bones of it, you'll first want to open the theme sidebar. You can do this by clicking on Slide in the top menu and then selecting Change Theme. Alternatively, you can click directly on the Theme button situated conveniently on the toolbar. This action will bring up the theme sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, housing various options for themes. Now, to bring in a theme from outside, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the theme sidebar and click on Import Theme. Upon clicking this, a dialog box will pop up, presenting you with a couple of choices. You'll find that you have the option to select a Google Slides presentation directly from your Google Drive or any shared drives you might have access to. This is handy if the theme you want is on a presentation you've worked on or shared with someone else. Alternatively, if you have a PowerPoint file, specifically a .pptx, that has a theme you wish to use, you can upload it right from your device. This gives you the flexibility to pull in aesthetics from various resources. Once you've selected a presentation or uploaded your file, you'll notice it brings up preview thumbnails of the available themes or layouts. Take a moment to scroll through these previews and find the theme that makes your presentation shine. After selecting the theme you feel is the right fit, go ahead and click on Import Theme to apply it to your slides. After importing, the new theme will immediately apply to all slides in your current presentation, giving it that fresh and cohesive look. But customization doesn't have to stop here. If you want to tweak fonts, colors, or even layouts to better suit your needs, head over to Slide in the top menu and click Edit Theme. This will open up the master slides for your presentation, allowing you to adjust every detail to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a custom theme into your Google Slides presentation, ready to wow your audience with a professional and tailored look. Enjoy sprucing up your slides and feel confident as you present with flair.